Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Hi, good morning. Shall we begin? Joseph, Joseph is not available. Okay, so wait for 5 minutes more. Let's begin with the session. So this topic is email basics. That is the basics of the email. So this is the class outline. That is the main class is divided into three parts. One is the introduction. That is part number one. Explaining the email, parts of an email, address, types of email services, acquiring an email account. That is how to explain or how to define what is an email, what are the various parts, what are the various types of the email services that is available, how to acquire an email account. Then next one is part number two is sending and receiving the email. How to send and receive the email. Sending and receiving in the sense how to first of all sign in the account, then composing and sending, checking the email, checking the email that is available, then reply and forwarding the email. So this comprises of the sending, receiving email that is used in the day-to-day activity. So first of all, sign into the email account or Gmail account, for example, then compose and send, checking the email, reply and forwarding. After this, there is a managing your email messages. That is how to manage your email addresses. That is how to delete, what are the various trash folder that is available, then email security, sign out. So these are the four parts in the email accounts only. That is for the third part. So part number one is the introduction. What is an email? What are the various parts? What are the various types of email? How to acquire an email account? Then part number two is sending and receiving the email, that is signing in, composing and sending, checking email, reply and forwarding. Then part number three is managing the email messages. Then let's start with the first one, that is the introduction. Now, can anyone tell can anyone tell me what is an email? It's an electronic mail, I agree. So why e-word is used over the mail? That is why it is known as the electronic mail or the electronic message. Because it is sent via the electronic medium, that's why it is known as the email. So electronic message that is sent from one computer to another computer. Now why it is so popular? Because it saves the money and the time compared to the regular mail. For example, if you go to the post office for giving the mail, for giving the letter, that is also a mail, kind of the mail, but that is not, yes, that is not reached to the destination at the same time, but it is available to the destination within a second. That is, money is saved, time is saved. An email message takes seconds to reach to the destination. That is the same point. Now, how email works. Now, look over this picture, this diagram. There is one mail server from the computer send, from the sender send. One is a mail server from the receiver send. Now, first of all, who is the sender? Who is the receiver? Sender who sends the data, that is the sender. Receiver who receives the data. For example, if I'm composing the email to you, I'm a sender. I'm receiving feedback. You are a sender. So at the same time, yes, at the same time, I can act as a sender or the receiver. Now, this is a mail server. If you look at the picture, one message is coming to the email server, then going to the email server of the or mail server of the receiver. Then after collecting over the mail server, it is going to the receiver side. I think this diagram is, yes, this diagram is very much effective to clear each and everything for the email. This is written over here. Email travels via the internet from one computer to another. Email, also known as a mail server or computer known as a mail server, direct the outgoing and stores the incoming email. And once email receives your email server, it waits in an electronic mailbox, that is the email inbox, for you to collect it. So this will go to the mail server, the next mail server, then receiver. Now, what are the various things that you can do with the email? First is compose and send. Write an email, send to the others. Reply to an email that you have received. Forward, pass on to an email that you have received to the others. That means, first of all, if you want to send any data to the anyone that is a receiver, so you have to compose. There is a button that is available on the compose. This I'm going to tell you within the practical class, that is after half an hour. So first of all, you have to compose, then click on the send button to send the email, reply to an email that you have received, forward, that is pass on an email that you have received to others, attachment. That means you can also attach the file, send the file with your email, such as the pictures, music, software, and the documents. An email address also consists of the three parts. This is the first part, that is the Jack and Jack and Jill @gmail.com. This is the username @ domain name. Now, what are the two ways by which we can get the emails? That is, what are the various two methods by which we can get the email? First is provided by the ISP. So that is the chargeable. So one of the method is that email is provided by the ISP and the monthly fee for the internet connection often includes the email service also. This is one of the example. Alliant @systematic.ca, then Eastlink. This is @eastlink.ca. Then free web-based service providers. Advertising on the sites pays for the service. Gmail @gmail.com. This is for the free website. So one is provided by the ISP, that is chargeable. One is free, of course, that is a web-based service provider, that is a Gmail, Hotmail, Redmail, Yahoo, anything that is available. Now, these are the two ways how to get. Now, what are the two ways by which people can check the email? So, what are the various services that is provided by the email, we can say. First is a web-based email. Web-based email in the sense, login into the web-based account, login into the website, messages stay on the mail server. It can be accessed from any computer with the internet connection, like us, we are doing. By logging into the Gmail account, then messages are available in the mail server, that is available in the inbox. Then after the inbox, it is when I reach the message, when I read the message, it is, we can say, change the color into the next color. So it can be accessed from any computer with the internet connection. Now, next is the using the email software, that is application based. One of the best example of this is a Microsoft Outlook. Most of the organizations, or we can say every organization, have a Outlook account that is shareable by all the employees. Now, Outline is also available offline and the online. It is an email software, that's why it is known as the application based email. And the application retrieves your message. Which application? This is the Outlook application that retrieves your message from the mail server and saves them to the computer's hard drive. Now, how to sign up? This is one of the important part. How to sign up? First of all, go to the gmail.com. First step is you have to go to the gmail.com, then sign up for the Gmail accounts. You have to click on the sign up. Now, one question arises, what is the difference between the sign up and the sign in? Can anyone tell me? There are two parts, one is a sign up, one is a sign in. And anyone can tell me what is the main difference? No one. Yeah. At some places there are two options that is available. I agree, that is a sign in and the create an account. So sign up is same at the create an account. So sign in means you have already created your account, you want to log in into your account. That is sign in. But sign up means you are the new user, you have to or you want to create your account in the Gmail, Yahoo, whatever that you want. You sign up for the Gmail or create an account, then fill in the registration form. Whatever the registration form, whatever the target, whatever the scenario that is using, so that is the registration form that you have to fill. So this is one of the introduction form. Should I provide accurate personal information? It is okay to lie. Unique login name, that is a password registration. You have to register the password. You have to give the password registration boxes and the password strength. Then description of the Google web history, that is the description is available for the Google web history. Then there are the security question that is available, then answers to the security question. So first is the personal information that you provide, that is the first name, last name, whatever that you provide for this one. Then what is the desired login name? Login name means, for example, you want your email account or you want your Gmail account at abc@gmail account. So this is one of the example of the Gmail account. So abc@gmail account. Now you have to check for the availability, whether it is available or not. It is already available, it is already used by another person, so this shows that this is not available. So that means it is unique for each and every user. Then choose a password. You have to choose your password. Password means, yes, that is every time you have to insert the password, and this should be or minimum of the 8 characters in length. That may contains a symbol that may contains underscore, whatever the scenarios, whatever the reason that is used. And there's also a button that is available password strength. That means yes, password strength in the sense what type of password that you require. Now let's see practically how it is used. First of all, click on the Google Chrome. Now if you want to create an account, first of all you have to go to the Gmail. Now this is the mail that is already working. So for example, if you write Gmail sign up, this account is already available, so I have to sign out this account first of all. No, there's a button that is available that is known as a create account. This is the form that is available. Now this is create a password. This is a password strength. Use at least 8 character. Do not use a password from another site or something that is too obvious like your pet name. So this is just we can say the line that is given that how to use or what are the various passwords that you have already created like pet name or anything. So this is the create a password, then confirm your password. Again, you have to confirm your password. This is the name, your name, first name or the last name. This is the same example, abc@gmail.com. Then password, this is your date of birth, then gender, male or female, mobile. Your message is also, yeah, there is a confirmation message that is available in your mobile phone. Then your current email address, if you have another, we can say the Yahoo email address, so you have to insert the Yahoo email address into this one. Then location, then there's a next step. Next form is available for this one. All right. Any queries? Yeah, that is the main thing, that I have already signed into the account in the same browser, that is the Google Chrome. Yes, but yeah, there are two buttons that is available. One is a sign in, one is a sign up. Sometimes that is available in the older version, there is a sign up, but nowadays it is available in a create an account or create account, whatever the method or whatever the mode that is used. All right. Now, my question is, if I want to show the PPT from this slide onwards, that is from the 10th slide, can anyone tell me what is the shortcut key for this one? Not from the starting one. No one. Okay. What is the shortcut for slideshow? Not the, yes, not using the mouse. What is the shortcut? That means using the keyboard. What is the shortcut for the slideshow? Normal slideshow. Yes, very good. F5. So what is the shortcut for, yes. Very good. Yes, very good, Larry. This is Shift plus F5. When I press Shift plus F5, this is the 10th slide. But if I press only F5, that means moves to the first slide. This is the main difference between the Shift plus F5 and the F5. This is the same page that is available. This is the next page. And at the end, there is an option that is I accept, create my account. And there is also a registration help that is available. You can click on the help button that is available in the, yes, that is available in the registration page also. Then book a computer at the library, ask the information desk for the assistance. So you can, yes, you can also take the help for the registration.
Now this is the exercise that you are supposed to do. Same. This is the sign in into the Gmail account. Then I think you have a Gmail account. Yes. Then sending a message to your class partner or your classmates, like your colleagues, for example, if you're working somewhere, then receiving the new message in your inbox. So this is the part number 2. Look over the header. This is part number 1 is over here. This is the part number 2. The next one is sign in into the Gmail account. This is the older version figure is available. New version is available with the like this. Okay. So first of all, same, that is log in into the Gmail account, type the username and the password, click on the sign in button. This is the interface that is available over here. And this only one message is arrived when you starting login or when you register to this one, that is from the Gmail account. Only inbox, that is one. This is the main menu. Now these are the various parts. This is the send button used to send the emails. This is 2, that is type the full email address of your class partners that you want to deliver, that you want to do. Then subject means the main heading. For example, if I'm applying for a job, that is application for the post of this one, this one, this one. If I'm sending you a note, sending you an assignment, that is unit for assignment. Anything that you want to highlight, that is a subject. Message means hello, please find the attachment for this one. Hello, how are you? Hope you are doing good, and so on. So you have to write your message in this one. Plus, if you yes, if you have attachment, then please write, please find the attachment or enclose attachment that is available in the email. Next one is, this is a sending, that is first part. Next, confirmation message. This is the confirmation message dialog box that your message has been sent. If you deliver a message, a confirmation is also available. That is confirmation is confirmed, that is your message has been sent. Then checking for the new email messages. The number new message in your account appeared beside the inbox link, that is inbox 1. Then this is the next part, messages already opened, unread messages in bold font.
The next part, then the next part of the PPT is what are the messages that is already opened. This is in the unread message that is available in the bold font, and the read messages are available in the normal font. So one is a message that is already opened, that is in the different color. Then unread message is in the bold font. Now your messages, that is your Gmail team. This is their title, and there is a subject, then date, then double click on a subject to read a message. This is the double click on a subject. Then show details link. This is a show detail link. Then sender's name and the email address. What is the sender's name and the email address? Then message. Then receiver's email address, data send, message. Then replying to a message. How to reply to a message? So replying to a message, send it back to the person who sends it to you. This is exercise, that is view the message from your partner. Click on the reply button. You want to reply for this one. This is the third part, that is managing. Sending and receiving. This is the managing. View the message from your partner. Click on the reply button, type a reply, and click on the send button. So this is the one of the part how to reply to a message. Then forward, that means you can pass a message to the other friend, that is a forward. Use a message from your partner, click on the forward button, click the address or type an address in that field. So type an address in that field whom you want to forward your message. Then click on the send button. Now, 3 ways how do you get to delete the message. Click on the delete button either, or click on the small arrow that is next to the reply, or select the delete reply. Then there is an option that is available under the delete message. Or from the inbox, check the click out the messages you want to delete, click on the delete button. When you click on this one, the pop-up will be available to delete the message. Then trash folder. Now deleted messages go to the trash folder. If you delete something by accident, you can retrieve it from the trash.
That means trash folder is available. That means whatever the deleted data, whatever like your recycle bin that is available in the on the desktop. In the same way, there is a deleted folder that is known as the trash folder that is available in the email message. And if you delete something by accident, you can retrieve it from the trash. And if you delete a message in the trash, it's gone for the good. You can delete everything in the trash folder by clicking on the empty. There is an empty button that is available in the trash that if you want to empty this one, this is available. Messages that have been in the trash more than 30 days will automatically delete it. But if you want to delete the message within the 30 days only, that is known as a trash. Then email security. Always sign out, especially if you are using a public computer. Never send your SIN or the bank account number via email. Then be aware of the messages. Ask your bank account information. If they say they want to put money in your account, be aware of the messages. Or ask you to click on the link or whatever the link that is available, log in and verify the personal information, inform that you are won a prize. These are the various messages that is a fault message. Now this is the conclusion. That means you have to always remember to sign out with the account. Now, any questions anyone?